Well, hi there. Does anyone remember what this is called? What is it called? It's called a tens rod. We know that there's 10 of these little squares, cubes actually, stuck together. And when we see this, we just know in our brain that it's 10. And 10 plus one more makes 11. Now, one day we've done something like this. It's getting ready for a teen book. Maybe you have this one. It has 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now I want you to stop the video in a minute and I want you to go get the 15, 16, 17, and 18. All right. Now, show me 15 with your hands. 10 freeze and 5 more. Here's what I did. I drew the 10 and then the 5 more. On this paper, right here, 10 equals, or 15 equals 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now, here's the 10. So I'm in a circle. 10 circles going up. I have to have the 10 one first. I try to put the bigger number first for the 10s, like the 10s freeze. And then 5 ones. Then, over here, because I'm practicing writing my teen numbers, I need 15, a 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. I hope you're doing it nice and neat. You should be using a pencil. I'm using a marker so you can see it. I'm going to switch it to this bright purple marker. It's easier to see. Now after 15 comes this number, 10 freeze. And that's 16. So I need to get to 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. So here's my 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to start at the bottom. Sometimes you want to start at the top, but I prefer it if you start at the bottom, just like we do at our tiny tumblers when they start at they tumble to the bottom first, and then they stack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 1 and a 6. Now we've got 17. 10 plus how many more equals 17? Did you say 7? 17. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to write my 17. Now, 15, 16, 17, 18. How do I make an 18? 10 plus how many more? 8 equals 18. So I'm going to do my 10 circles. 2, 3, oh, I have to make them a little smaller. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because it has to represent the 10 rod, like this. And then I need 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double check to make sure that you don't have more than 8 or less than 8, because you have to have 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. And here's how I'm going to write my 18. A 1 and an 8. I have one group of 10s, and I have 8 of these little ones. I'm going to show you this on the whiteboard. 6, 7, 8. Let's make sure. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 18. Now, you're going to have to save this in a really good spot too, because we're going to take this one and this one, and we have a couple more numbers to add to it before we make our teens book. Thanks so much. I'll see you later. Bye.